Good day, RPM. For today's video, our topic is all about fingerprint classification. So what is fingerprint classification? So pag sinasabi nating fingerprint classification, it is or is the assigning of classification to the entire set of prints for the purpose of filing and searching them. In fingerprint classification, there are 6 divisions for fingerprint classification. Anim yan. What are those? We have primary classification, secondary classification, subsecondary classification, final classification, major, and key classification. So there are 6 divisions of the classification of fingerprints. And under the classification line, nilalagay sila sa classification line. Yung primary classification nilalagay sa gitna, followed by the secondary classification. Ito po yung primary classification represented by number 1. And the secondary classification represented number 2. Subsecondary is number 3. Final is number 4. And number 5 is major. Number 6 is key classification. This line here, itong linyang ito po yung tinatawag natin na classification line. Pag nilalagay sila sa classification line, itong 6 division of classification of fingerprints, ito po yung forma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Extreme left, ito is number 6, nakalagay yung key classification. On the extreme right of the classification line is the final classification. Between, ito na yung primary, secondary, subsecondary, and major classification. Okay, let's proceed. So, what is primary classification? Kasi ito yung una. Primary classification concerns on the sum total of all numerical value patterns in a set of fingers plus 1 over 1. The fingerprint pattern having numerical value pattern or whorl patterns. Whorl patterns represented by letter W, C, D, X. Pag sinasabi nating W, that is plain whorl. C, that is central pocket loop. D is double loop whorl. And X is represented by accidental whorl. So in primary classification again, yung mayroon lang pattern are whorl patterns. Other than that is wala na silang value. Anong sabi? Sum total of all numerical value patterns. Meaning sum total ng lahat ng whorl patterns. And then, lagyan natin ng plus or addition 1 over 1. What is the purpose? Why having 1 over 1? To give numerical value patterns to those non-value patterns. Bibigyan daw natin ng value yung mga fingerprint na walang value pattern. Kasi yung mayroon lang value is whorl. How about arches and loops? Walang value. To give that value, kaya nga mayroon tayong constant na 1 over 1. Okay, let's proceed. So in primary classification, mayroon tayong 5 proseso. There are 5 steps in primary classification. Nandyan si blocking, pairing of, assigning of numerical values, and designating the numerator and denominator, and then the last one is summing up. Kaya nga, sum total of all numerical value patterns. Ano pala itong blocking? Ano pala itong pairing of? Ano pala itong assigning of numerical value patterns? Ano pala itong designating of numerator and denominator? Or the last one is summing. Okay, let's proceed with blocking. Ano itong blocking? Yan. ito yung proseso of writing below each pattern. Nilalagyan daw natin ng pattern yung corresponding symbol of the fingerprint. Provided in the card conspicuously or in capital letters for purpose of facilitating the attainment of primary classification. Okay? Again, fingers 1 to 5 is right fingers, 6 to 10 is left fingers. Ito. Let's start. Finger number 1 from the right thumb. 2, right index. 3, right middle. 4, right ring. And 5, right little finger. 6 is left thumb. 7, left index. 8, left middle. 9 is left ring finger. And then number 10 is left. Yan. Left little finger. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. Ito po yung mga corresponding na mga sign of each of the fingerprint pattern. So, ito, yan. So, serrigeal loop from ito. This radial loop is from right side and this radial loop sign is from left side. And ulnar loop from right side and ulnar loop from left. Right side, ito po yung ulnar loop from right side. Ito po yung ulnar loop from right side. Okay? Plain arch represented by A, tinted arch represented by T, W, plain whorl, W, plain whorl rather, central pocket loop whorl, C, double loop, D, and accidental whorl, X. Ito yung ilalagay natin sa corresponding pattern. Ilalagay lang natin is signs. Mga sign ng each of the fingerprint pattern. Okay, let's proceed. Blocking. Yan. Assuming na ito yung ating mga fingerprint pattern. Assuming it is a fingerprint. Ito yung fingerprint. So, ito yung fingerprint card natin. This box here represented as fingerprint card. What is on the upper portion of the fingerprint card is yan. Yung ating right fingers. Finger 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the lower of the fingerprint card is the left fingers. Assuming, ito yung ating finger 1 is plain whorl. Anong sign ng plain whorl? W. Ito po, W. Radial loop on the right side, ito po yung kanyang sign. Ulnar loop on the right side, ito po yung kanyang sign. Plain arch on the right side, ito po yung kanyang sign. Letter A. And then double loop on the right side is letter D. Dito naman tayo sa baba ng fingerprint card. This is an ulnar loop. Ito. On the left side, ito po yung sign. Tinted arch, letter T. Accidental whorl, letter X. Plain whorl, W. And radial loop is, ito po yung sign. Slash. That's how you do it in blocking, in 10 fingers. Yung gagawin mo lang, lalagyan mo sila naming of patterns. Lalagyan mo sila ng name, each of the pattern of the fingerprint from right fingers to the left fingers using their corresponding signs. That is blocking process. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to the next step. Kasi 5 yan. Blocking. And then the next one is ito. Assigning of numerical value patterns. In assigning numerical value patterns, yan. So, again, this is a fingerprint card. Ito. This box here represents a fingerprint card. Again, yung nasa taas ng fingerprint card is the right fingers. Ito. Yung nasa baba, left fingers. Tapos na tayo ng blocking. Kaya na mayroon na tayong mga naming of each of the pattern of the fingerprint. So, assigning of numerical value patterns. Sa finger 1 and 2, ito, finger 1 and 2, 16 yung value patterns niyan. Finger 3 and 4 is 8 yung kanyang value pattern. Pero, ito namang finger 5 at saka finger 6, ito. Yung kanyang value pattern is 4. And then, finger 7 and 8 is yung kanyang value is 2. And then, finger 9 or 10, yung value niya is 1. So, kung titingnan mo, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Finger 1 and 2, 16, 3 and 4, 8, 5 and 6, 4, 7 and 8, 2, 9 and 10, 1. So, naka-assign na tayo ngayon ng numerical values of all the fingers. Finger 1 to 10. Okay? Okay. Let's proceed to the next illustration. Tapos na tayo ng blocking. Tapos na tayo ng assigning of numerical value pattern. Ano yung susunod natin? Designating numerator and denominator. Even numbers. Even numbers. Ano yung even numbers? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tama? Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Klaro? Okay. Even numbers is considered as numerator. Again, ito po yung ito. Fingerprint card. This represents as right fingers. Ito po represented by left fingers on the lower part of the fingerprint card. Pero, so, kanina sabi ko na pag even numbers, numerator yan. Pag odd numbers, denominator yan. So, hahanapin naman natin ngayon yung even numbers as numerator. Finger 2, finger 4, finger 6, finger 8, and finger 10. Kaya nga, it is represented by letter N. Ito. Numerator. This is finger 2. This is finger 4. This is finger 6. This is finger 8. And this is finger 10. Represent as numerator. Kaya nga, letter N yan. And odd numbers is finger 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Ano? Kaya nga, it is represented by letter D. So, finger 1, finger 3, finger 5, finger 7, and finger 9. That is our denominator. This T is a thumb kasi thumb side ito. This I is an index because these are index fingers. This one is, yan, middle, the middle fingers, and then ring fingers. Ito. And this is the little fingers. Ito. Klaro? Designating numerator and denominator. Okay. Yan. So, ito na. Mayroon na tayong numerator and denominator. Let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, summing up. Isa-summing up. Ito yung pinakahuling proseso. Ito total natin ngayon yung mga value pattern. Klaro? Kaya nga, the numerical values of world patterns. Kasi yung mayroon lang value, again, is yung world patterns. Other than that, wala nang value. Mayroong fraction na 1/1 that is constant. Or sum up, ito. And then, plus 1/1. And place it on the numerator and denominator respectively in the primary classification. Okay, let's have an illustration muna. Okay. Ito. Okay. So, again, this is our, ano ito? Fingerprint card. Taro na. Ito, fingerprint card natin ito. Yan. 1 to 5 is the right fingers. 6 to 10 is the left fingers. So, in primary classification, ang unang natin gagawin, blocking. Naming of patterns of each of the fingers. 10 fingers. So, ito na. Whirl, radial loop, ulnar loop, plain arch, double loop. Ito. Ulnar loop, tinted arch, accidental whirl, plain whirl, and radial loop. Ito yung ating blocking process. And then, pangalawa is assigning of numbers. Magkaano ito? This finger 1 and 2 is 16. Finger 3 and 4 is 8. Finger 5 and 6 is 4. Klaro? This is ano. And finger 7 and 8 is 2. And 9 and 10 is 1. Okay? So next, assigning of numerator and denominator. Sabi ko kanina na pag even numbers is numerator. Lagyan natin ng n. This is finger number 2, finger number 4, finger number 6, and finger number 8, and finger number 10. This is our numerator. Claro? And our denominator is finger number 1, letter D. Number 3, that is an odd numbers of fingers. 5, and we have 7, and 9. Okay? Claro na? So, sum up. Mayroon na tayong numbers. Ito na yung mga numbers. Assigning of numerical numbers of each of the finger. Ito, 4, 2, 1. We're able to determine na kung anong pattern ito through blocking process. Ito. And we're able to determine na kung saan dito yung numerator at saka denominator. Ito po, even numbers of fingers are numerator, and ito, odd numbers in fingers is our denominator. Numerator is even numbers, denominator is odd numbers. So, anong gagawin natin? Let's draw a letter M. So, numerator ito. Let's draw a letter M. Ito, ito, ito. Letter M. Kung i-draw mo yan sa fingerprint card natin, that is our numerator. So, dito natin ngayon titingnan. So, titingnan natin ngayon yung numerator sa classification line. So, let's start finger number 2. Ano ito? World patterns ba? Hindi. Ano lang yung may value again? World pattern. W, C, D, X. So numerator, titingnan natin. Ito, may value ba? 16 ba yung value? Hindi. Kasi hindi siya whorl pattern. Finger number 4. Whorl pattern ba? Hindi. Kasi it is plain arch. Walang value. Finger number 6. May value ba? Wala. Kasi hindi yan whorl pattern. Finger number 8. May value ba? X. Is it a whorl pattern? Yes. Ano nga yung value ng finger 7 and 8? Is 2. Pero, so, since finger number 8 has a value, since mayroong value ito na pattern, is we have now 2. Count of 2. And finger number 10 is whorl pattern ba? Hindi, kasi it is Rinjalo. So our numerator is 2. Since mayroon tayong constant na fraction ng 1 over 1, so plus 1. So, in total, 3. Our numerator is 3. Pero, now, proceed naman tayo sa denominator. Drawing W. Ito. Ito, that is drawing W. Yan. That is our denominator. So, tingnan mo ngayon denominator. Finger 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Finger number 1 has a value of 16. Tama? Ano ito? Whorl pattern ba? Yes, whorl pattern. So, magkaano yung value ng whorl pattern sa finger 1 and 2? 16. So, our count is 16. Tama? Yes. Finger number 3. May value ba? Wala. Bakit? Hindi siya whorl pattern. Laro? Finger number 5. May value ba? Yes. Bakit may value? Kasi whorl patterns. Double loop whorl. Magkano yung value ng finger number 5? 4. So, 16. Ito. 16 plus 4. Plus natin ito. Ito. That is 20. Finger number 5. Another is finger number 7. Kasi letter W ito. Ito. Yan. Finger number 7. May value ba? Wala. Bakit? Kasi hindi siya whorl patterns. Kasi tinted arch ito. Finger number 9. Rather, may value ba? Yes. Mayroon po siyang value kasi plain whorl. What's the value of finger number 9? It's very clear. Kanina, this finger 9 and 10 has a value of 1. Kaya nga, plus 1. Ilan lahat? 21. And then, may constant man tayo na 1 na fraction kanina. 21 plus 1. So, our denominator in primary classification is 22. Ito. 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is finger number 1, 5, and finger number 9 has a value pattern. Kasi sabi ko kanina, the only patterns that has a value is whorl pattern. Yung WCDX. Kaya ito, 16, 4, and 1. That is 21. Plus constant na 1 equals 22. Kaya yung primary classification natin is 3 over 22. Ayan. Am I clear? Naintindihan ba? Klaro ba? Yan. Kaya nga, yung ating value is 3 over 22. That is our sum up or summing up process in the primary classification. Ano yung una? Blocking. What's the process in blocking? Yan. Naming of patterns. Ito. Pangalawa, yan. We are trying to designate numbers. 1 and 2, 16, 3 and 4, 8, 5 and 6, 4, 7 and 8, 2, 9 and 10, 1. And then, assigning of numerators and denominators. Yan. Even numbers, finger 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is numerator. Kaya nga, we will draw letter M. Ito. That is our numerator. And finger 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, that is our denominator drawing letter W. And then, i-plus lang natin yung mga may value pattern, that is world patterns, and then plus 1, that is constant. And the result will be our primary classification summing. Claro? Okay? That ends our topic. Thank you. Once again, good day, ka-RPMs.